Hello and welcome to Think Make Share. Before I start this video, I'd just like to thank everyone who watched my videos and for all the nice comments I've received. I love woodworking. I try to take out a video every Friday of any project I'm doing. So hopefully keep watching, and I'll try to create some great content for you to watch. Forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below, and as soon as my new videos are out, you'll be notified. So let's get started on today's project. I'm actually going to be making a matchbox, a puzzle matchbox. It's one of Bruce Viney's designs. I'm actually going to be doing it on this 4mm plywood, so it should be nice and small, so it should look nice. So let's get started. I've got all the pieces cut out. I've marked them up so I know what's what. And now I'm going to start gluing them. So let's get started with that. Okay, I've sanded this, it's all done. Now what I'm going to do is I've joined this back up. I've actually printed off some stickers. So what I'll do is stick this on rather than being all wood like this. That'll make it look nice. So let's get that done and see how that looks. Okay, all done. Here's the finished product. I did actually make a mistake. I realised when I stuck the stickers on, they are actually small. I printed them small for some reason, I don't know why. Oh well, you live and learn. Rather than that, I've actually went ahead and done it. Anyway, I stuck all the stickers on all sides. And where there were gaps, I just, with the marker, black marker, I just went over it. It looks okay for the time being anyway, it isn't too bad. It's come out nice, so let's open this box now. So to open it, it is still stiff, but once I start using it, it should get loose. There we go. That's one piece. 2, 3, 4, and that's the main body. There's a little compartment there. What you can do is put some money in a pan or something and give it to your family, just get them to see if they can open it. And if they open it, they get to keep the pan. Thanks for joining me on Think Make Share. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification button as well. See you again. Bye.